Welcome back. In this video we'll be covering some logic. So we'll be changing the behavior of our application based off of certain conditions. So here we have a variable wallet of type double, which has a value of 10.0, and here we have an if statement. Now an if statement allows you to check for a condition, and if that condition is met, then the block of code immediately following it will be executed, otherwise it will not. So here we're making sure that total price is bigger than wallet. Now total price is from earlier when we were talking about variables. We created that here, and we did some kind of calculation. The value in it should be 44.97. So once we get to this point, it is in fact going to be larger than wallet, and this should be printed out. So from the last video, this is how we print out to the console. We put a $sign, we put the price, then we have a space and the text here, and we put the value from the wallet as well. Right. So let's go ahead and execute that and see how that looks. So we have this bit of code from the last video, and here we go. This is what we're outputting right here. So total price, which was 44.97, got put into here, and then the 10.0 from wallet was put into here as well. Now if wallet had been larger than total price, this would not have been printed out. And you can go ahead and test this out and change the values here, and you'll see that it won't be printed out. Now our next section, we print out what is your full name, and we're taking in some input to go into name. So I'm going to input a name into here. Actually, I won't do that. Just I'll do Bob. All right, Bob with a capital B. All right, because with this name, what we're going to do, we're actually going to check if it's equal to this string here, which is Bob with a capital B. Now notice here it says dot equals, and we have the brackets thing. So that is how you would check for equality in a string, which is different than if we had done it with numbers. We'd be using the double equals here. All right. So for strings, for equality, it's a little bit different. We use dot equals. All right. So because my name is equals to Bob, something special is going to happen here just for me, which would not have happened if I was not Bob. So my wallet will be set to $100. All right. So if I go ahead and press enter, let me scroll up. Congrats, Bob, your wallet now has $100 right here. So we can see that this happened. Then it already went ahead and executed the rest of the stuff, but the next condition here was if the total price, which is $44.97 from before, is larger than wallet. In this case, it's not anymore, because my wallet got set to 100 here, because my name is Bob, right? So we see that this didn't get written out, right? Now here we have an else if. What an else if does is the same as an if, except it will only happen if the if that's immediately before it did not get executed. So it'll go through here, and then the else is just for any, if it gets to this point, then that's what it will execute, kind of like a fallback. So first it checks for this condition, then if that condition was not met, then it checks for this. If that was not met, then it checks for this. As soon as one of these conditions are met, it skips out to here, so this wouldn't happen. All right, so in this case, the total price was not more than the wallet. Total price was not equal to the wallet, So that's why I have enough now. I will purchase this, thank you. Like we can see right here in the console. All right, and we can ignore this next bit. That's for the next video. So that's it for this video, and I'll see you in the next one.